Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make pizza. First, activate your yeast in warm water with a little sugar. Then, combine this with flour, salt, and a touch of olive oil. Knead the mixture until it's smooth and elastic, which usually takes about 8 to 10 minutes. Finally, let your dough rise in a warm spot for 60 to 90 minutes until it doubles in size. Next, let's prepare your sauce and toppings. A simple tomato sauce made with crushed tomatoes and Italian herbs works perfectly. Grate about 8 ounces of fresh mozzarella cheese for the best melt. Slice your preferred toppings, like pepperoni, bell peppers, or mushrooms. Remember to preheat your oven to 475 degrees Fahrenheit for a crispy crust. Now, it's time to assemble your masterpiece. Gently stretch your risen dough into a 12-inch circle on a lightly floured surface. Spread about 1/2 cup of your delicious tomato sauce evenly, leaving a small border for the crust. Next, generously sprinkle the grated mozzarella cheese, followed by your favorite toppings. Be creative and make it your own. Finally, it's time to bake and enjoy. Carefully transfer your assembled pizza to a preheated pizza stone or baking sheet. Bake it in your 475 degree Fahrenheit oven for 10 to 15 minutes, or until the crust is golden brown and the cheese is bubbly. Let it cool for 2 to 3 minutes before slicing and serving your incredible homemade pizza.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.